What do chickens say, Gia?
Papi.
What are you eating?
Bone.
Was that good?
What are you taking off of the bone?
Meat.
Is that good? Do you like that? Mm-hmm.
No.
You just ate a lot of chicken there, kid. You're gonna turn into a chicken if you're not careful.
More.
You ate the whole chicken.
More chicken.
More chicken. Chicken's... The chicken is kaput.